asahambe kahle between Mapitsi and DJ Thomas. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 28th to the 2nd of May 2025 on Monday. Kwaito wakes up to a chilling act of sabotage. Kamo's startling suggestion leaves Mapitsi shaken on Tuesday. Brabogi issues a subtle threat to Tipos and Kwaito. DJ Thomas put Mapitsi on the spot live on air on Wednesday. Apparently shocked when his son decided to drop out of school, Mapitsi has a date with the devil. Pretty gives Dr. Blue an ultimatum on Thursday. Mr. Homo and Melita are pleasantly surprised by the shift in Pex's attitude. Tipos is concerned when Mapitsi's colleagues denies receiving any gift at work on Friday. Pex struggles with feelings of rejection after being betrayed by someone he trusted. Babeile is left speechless by what he sees at Mr. Homo's place. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.